So I got a question regarding the oil water separator. We got our report back on the depth of the sewer line. You're looking about 11 inches below grade. So we got a couple situations here we need to address before we start digging the ground, and then so I can get your input. So your elevation for your pipe for the inflow is 11 inches below grade. So from here on, you got your pipe. Now the system that you got, and this is I contacted the supplier, Stream. There's some parts that came in. I'm assuming they're just a bunch of extras. So some of the stuff we won't be using. We'll just need to get a verification from the city if you need it. Like for example, your testers. Do you need them? You don't. If you do, that creates a bigger problem. And there's distances where you're going to install. But this is basically your standard design for this unit. So far as your elevation goes, from your bottom elevation, you're basically just about 3 feet at center for your inflow and your outflow. Now your drain, when you're washing your cars or whatnot, your oil is coming down here, it's coming to a tank, separate, and then it flows out into your sewer. Where's that going to be? Because according to the site plan, the floor, it wants to, you're showing it down in the center. That's not quite the case, because then that drain field is going to change. The other aspect, will that be enough distance on that? So basically, if we do it here, we should do it, but the slope will need to change. Now, the bigger challenge that we have here is on here. So you're going to have your drain where it's coming and going into container, and now with the system that you got, it's not the same one that you sent me the pictures. It's different, and this is a bigger unit, and it's requiring some of the stuff. And this particular unit, it's requiring 2 vents. Now your existing vent, that's fine, and then another one, it's called they have a special name for it. They're basically calling it the sanitary vent. Now that's going to be above that, your flow. This flow is going into your sewer line. That goes on top. There's not a whole lot of space here. Where is that going to go? All right, because you got your sewer. From that cap of the design, you're about 13 inches. But this angle right here, how is gonna, like, it's not quite matching up. Maybe I'm missing something. You've been doing this a lot more, so I'll need your input. But as of right now, your floor level is coming up to here. So give me a call, look at the video, so we can come up with a solution, and then we're gonna go from there. So this took me a little bit far as kind of getting that all laid out, because once you cut it, you'll be stuck with it. Sounds good. Call me back, let me know.